Have you ever wondered how to make money on YouTube using AI in the fitness industry? This is not just a passing fancy, but a lucrative prospect that's reshaping the fitness landscape on YouTube. With over 2 billion logged-in users per month, YouTube has become a vibrant canvas for creators worldwide. And in this vast universe of content, the fitness industry is a star that continues to shine bright. Now let's talk about the game changer, artificial intelligence, or AI. In a world that's increasingly digital, AI has emerged as a powerful tool for content creation. It's not just about algorithms and data anymore. It's about understanding audience behavior, creating personalized content, and staying ahead of the curve. In the fitness industry, AI is helping creators to build more engaging and effective content. So are you ready to dive into this exciting journey? By the end of this video, you'll know how to harness AI to make money in YouTube's fitness industry. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand what AI is and how it fits into the fitness content landscape. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is a branch of computer science that aims to simulate human intelligence. Think of it as a digital brain that can learn, reason, and solve problems. But how does this relate to fitness content, you may ask? Well, AI has an incredible ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns. For instance, in the fitness industry, AI can examine thousands of workout routines, dietary habits, and fitness goals, and then recommend personalized fitness plans based on these patterns. It's like having a personal trainer who knows exactly what you need and can adapt your routine as you progress. But it's not just about personalizing workout recommendations. AI can also track your progress over time, provide real-time feedback, and even predict future results based on your current performance. This kind of immersive, interactive content is highly engaging and can help fitness enthusiasts stay motivated and achieve their goals more effectively. Moreover, AI can play a pivotal role in content creation. With AI, you can create fitness routines that cater to a wide variety of fitness levels and goals. Whether it's a high-intensity interval training for athletes or a gentle yoga routine for beginners, AI can help you deliver the right content to the right audience at the right time. Perhaps one of the most exciting applications of AI in fitness content is the creation of virtual personal trainers. These AI-powered trainers can guide users through workouts, correct their form, and provide real-time feedback, all within the comfort of their own homes. This not only makes fitness more accessible, but also adds a whole new level of interactivity to your content. AI is also instrumental in analyzing audience engagement. It can identify which parts of your videos are most engaging, which can help you fine-tune your content strategy and create more of what your audience loves. Now that we understand AI, let's see how we can use it to our advantage on YouTube. A successful journey starts with the first step. In our case, that's setting up your YouTube channel. To venture into the world of fitness content, you need a platform. That's where YouTube comes into play. Now you might be wondering, where do I start? Well, it's simple. Firstly, create your YouTube channel. Choose a name that's catchy, yet indicative of your fitness content. Remember, your channel name is your first impression, so make it count. Next, craft a compelling description. This is your chance to tell your viewers what your channel is about. Make it engaging, make it authentic. Finally, it's time for channel tags. Think of these like the spices in a well-cooked meal. They add flavor, making your channel more discoverable. Use relevant fitness tags to ensure your content reaches the right audience. And there you have it. Your YouTube fitness channel, ready to take on the world. With the channel set up, it's time to move on to content creation. The heart of any YouTube channel is its content, and AI can help us create engaging, personalized fitness content. Enter the world of artificial intelligence, or AI, which is changing the landscape of fitness content creation. AI tools are not just about automating tasks, they're about enhancing creativity and personalizing the fitness journey for your viewers. Imagine creating workout routines that are tailored to the individual needs of your viewers. This is where AI shines. By analyzing data like age, weight, fitness level, and personal goals, AI can help create personalized workout plans. This sort of tailored content not only makes your viewers feel valued, but it also increases their likelihood of sticking to the workout plan and regularly tuning into your channel. Then, there's progress tracking. We all know how motivating it can be to see our fitness progress. AI can help viewers visualize their progress and set realistic goals. By integrating AI tools into your content, you can help your viewers track their fitness journey, making your channel an integral part of their fitness routine. And finally, let's talk about creating engaging workout videos. With AI, you can analyze what workout videos are trending, what your competition is doing, and what your viewers want to see. This data-driven approach allows you to create content that is both innovative and in demand. But it's not just about what's in the video, it's also about how it's presented. AI can help you optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags, ensuring your content is easily discoverable. Moreover, AI tools can help you with video editing, making your videos look professional and appealing. So, how do you use these AI tools? There are many platforms available that offer AI tools for content creation. These platforms are user-friendly and often come with tutorials and customer support to help you navigate the world of AI. Remember, the goal is to create content that resonates with your viewers and keeps them coming back for more. And AI can be a powerful ally in achieving this goal. With engaging content in place, next comes the crucial part: monetization. Scene script. Monetization is where your efforts pay off. It's how you make money on YouTube. Now let's delve into the crux of the matter: monetizing your YouTube channel. There are several ways to do this, and we'll walk you through each of them. First up, advertisements. Once your channel meets YouTube's monetization criteria, you can start earning from ads. These are displayed in various forms such as pre-roll, mid-roll, display, and overlay ads. Remember, the key to making significant income from ads is having substantial views. So focus on creating engaging content that draws in and retains viewers. Next, memberships. Offering channel memberships is another excellent way to monetize. This allows your subscribers to pay a monthly fee for access to exclusive perks. Think along the lines of exclusive videos, emojis, live chats, and more. It's a great way to foster a sense of community and provide value to your loyal fans. Then, there's merchandise. If your brand is strong and you've built a loyal following, selling merchandise can be a profitable venture. From fitness apparel to workout equipment, the possibilities are endless. Just ensure that the merchandise aligns with your brand and is something your audience would appreciate. Lastly, we have brand partnerships. This involves collaborating with brands to promote their products or services. It's a win-win situation. The brand gets exposure to your audience and you get paid for it. Just ensure that any partnerships align with your brand and resonate with your audience. Now, it's crucial to note that to monetize your channel, you need to meet YouTube's monetization criteria. This involves having at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months, and complying with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines. Remember, while monetization is essential, it shouldn't compromise the quality of your content. Always prioritize delivering value to your audience. After all, they're the reason you're able to monetize in the first place. Monetizing appropriately can turn your passion for fitness into a lucrative venture. So let's go ahead and turn that passion into profit. We've covered a lot today, from understanding AI to monetizing your YouTube channel. It's been a thrilling journey, hasn't it? We've delved into the world of AI and fitness, and how these two seemingly disparate fields can fuse together to create a profitable YouTube channel. Think about it. We've unlocked the potential of AI in the fitness industry, a domain that's constantly evolving. With the power of AI, your YouTube channel can stay ahead of trends, consistently generating content that's relevant, engaging, and tailored to your audience's needs. We've also explored how to set up your YouTube channel, a process that's been simplified and streamlined. With a few clicks, you're ready to share your fitness journey with the world. And with the right AI tools, you can create content that not only resonates with your audience, but also sets you apart from the competition. But that's not all. We've also looked at monetizing your YouTube channel, a crucial step in making your passion a profitable venture. With the right strategies, you can leverage your content to attract sponsors, affiliates, and ad revenue, turning your fitness passion into a sustainable business. So, what's next? Well, the world is your oyster. Now that you have the tools and knowledge, it's time to take action. Start by setting up your YouTube channel, then explore different AI tools for content creation. Experiment with different types of content and see what resonates with your audience. And of course, keep an eye on your channel's performance. Use analytics to refine your strategy, and don't be afraid to pivot if something's not working. Remember, this is your journey. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to success on YouTube. With creativity, persistence, and the power of AI, you can carve your own path in the fitness industry. Now you have the knowledge to make money on YouTube using AI in the fitness industry. It's time to take action.